Professional 3D light complement. Show the most beautiful yourself. Not enough light? Not clear image? Look straight in the eye, too dizzy. Your eyes are tired after long time use. Light complement in the front. Highlight the glossy face. Look, here it comes. New 3D beautified double head complementary lamp. Professional portrait photography. Butterfly light arrangement. Place two lights at the 45 degree on the both sides of the character. Illuminate shadows on both sides of your face. Realize a soft light effect. Increase illumination area. Lights are placed on both sides. Avoid dizziness and tiredness. Able to adjust light ratio on the both sides. Reduce the gloss in your face caused by direct light. 3D light complement. Confident in every moment. Each independent light is made of 86 LED beads. Imported 3D soft light mask design. Natural and soft light, higher reduction degree of colors. 3 kinds of color temperature modes. Suitable for all kinds of conditions. Food life show. Table style and ground style available. Cosmetic live show. Product evaluation. Online promotion. Singing performance. Dancing performance. Portrait 3D beautified double head complementary light. First choice of professional live show user.